Ready? Open up. Taste it. Oh, goodness.
Open up, little girl.
She's trying it. There you go. Mmm. Oh yeah. There you go. You want more? Oh. We just hope Mommy gets better at this.
Yeah, let me try a little bit. Come in, say, open up. Open up. Good thing Mom gave you a bath today. Ready? Have a big bite. Open up. Go, ah. Open up, sesame. Open up. Open up.
She don't know what to do. She's like,
keep your tongue in your mouth.
Here, I'm trying to help you, Daddy. Is that what you do?
Keep your tongue in the mouth. Whoop. Ooh, you sucked that one in.
Why are you leaning back, little girl?
Go ah. Open up. Go ah. Good girl. Spit it all right out. Took it in.
They better catch it.
Came back out. How about a fresh one?
Now I'm thirsty. I want some of my milks. She's actually eating some, huh?
Oh yeah, she's eating it. That one came up? Huh. Alright, I will definitely come by and check them out this week. Back here.
Heavy.
Want some more?
We just ate quite a bit, huh? Some peas? You ready for some peas?
Ay, 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 ah. Go ah.
Nope.
Heavy. Yeah. Is that funny? It's really funny, isn't it?
My daddy's so funny. I love peas. Can you say I love peas? Not quite sure what to do with the tongue, huh? Yum peas. You can tell your Uncle Scott the LeSueurs. Not really.
Open up.
Hey, Daddy, that's not real. You didn't do that. You're teasing me. You're teasing me.
Open up, little princess.
Daddy, you open up.
Up here.
Good
Oh,
girl. Good girl. Yay. Good girl. Is it staying in? Yay. Good girl. Good girl.
Good job.
Abby, do you have any on your face?
Are you starting to figure it out, little girl?
Mm-hmm.
Some more?
Oh my gosh, that was great.
Good job. Good job. Open up. He's that funny.
Daddy's funny. He thinks this tastes good.
Good job.
Beautiful.
Good job. That's a good girl.
Beautiful.
Are you figuring it out? You got a green mustache.
Yum.
That was a big mouthful. Good job, baby girl. Look, you want some more?
Good job, Evie. Yay. Yay.
Good girl. Here you go, baby girl.
Do you need to get a bath tomorrow?
Look up here.
Do you need a little bath?
Little more.
Oh.
Are you liking the peas?
See, I'm like Daddy. I like my peas.
Peas are good for you. How about some more?
Good girl.
Yay!
Yay!
You only wore just a little bit of it today.
Yeah.
Open up. Good girl.
Yay! Daddy's gonna scrape your face. I help Daddy with the spoon. You gonna help Daddy with the spoon?
Hey, hi, Mom.
Hi,
my
beautiful.
peas.
Hi, beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't get me in it, honey. You ready? Yeah? Okay. Ready? Here you go.
Yes, that's Ozzy.
For a minute. Okay, ready? Good girl.
Is that good?
Hi. Good girl. Yay! Yay! Hi.
Go,
Good girl.